In this video I will show you how to see who visits your Instagram profile. But before starting with this video, remember that if this tutorial works for you, you can leave me a like and subscribe. Now yes, let's start with the video. The first thing we will do is get into our Instagram profile. Then we will select Edit Profile. Now in this window, we will select Switch to Professional Account and we will skip this window, where we will select Continue until we get this section where we will choose what type of creator profile we will be. I will choose this one. I will select this option, and then I will press Done. Now we will choose the first option and select Next. This way we would already have our Instagram profile in professional mode. Now what we will do is select Professional Dashboard, and in this menu we will be shown some creator tools. Among them we will be able to see how many people have visited our Instagram profile, interacted, shared or even followed our profile. This would be the easiest way to know who visits our Instagram profile. If this tutorial worked for you, you can leave me a like and above all subscribe. My name is Anxiety7U7X Tutorials, and see you until the next video.
We'll be right back.